Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to share a very important loophole that will help you get faster page 1 rankings. Okay, so please pay close attention, and this happens even before you upload your video. This is very crucial, so pay close attention. Now I've got my this optimization done for a video that I'm going to upload right now, and what it has is it has the title of the product. Okay, and this is the title, and what we do is we add the name of the product plus we add this: don't buy before you watch this. Okay, then we get the first line of YouTube. In the description we'll have our Amazon links. Please watch the previous video in order to know how we get this link, and then we just copy and paste the description of the product in the description here. We get some hashtags done from the title as well. Just add the title again and again, and then as I explained in the other video, how we get the tags using our software, the Unfair Advantage app, okay, also known as the viral video software. Okay, so all this is done, but now we are ready with the optimization, like the title, description, and tags. What we have to do even before we upload the video is we copy this title, and it is simply just copying the title. And then what we have to do is we come to the video file. Okay, so this is the raw video file, and I'm doing this on Windows. So what we have to do is we go right click on the video file, we go inside the properties, and then inside the properties we go in the details section. Now inside the details section, this is crucial, guys. This is very crucial. So we have the title. So we paste the title in the title option, in the comment option, in the description option, whatever you see. Give it a 5-star rating. Obviously, this is your video, so you will give the best rating, and paste it in all these columns. Once you do that, just hit apply and okay. So this is done. So now what we have is we have a completely optimized video file ready to be uploaded on YouTube. So what we have to do is, in the next step, we simply go to YouTube and we upload the video on YouTube. If you just want to know how we upload the video on YouTube, we then simply come to YouTube and we click on this upload icon right here. We go to upload video. Just wait for a sec, let the window come, and then what we have is we have this get the file button. We select the file, and that is it. Okay, I'm not going to do that because it's going to take a lot of time, and that won't be enough. So that's it for this video. Go out there, just optimize the video file that we did in this video by adding the title in the details section. Please watch this video again if you didn't understand something, you missed out something, and please do this before you upload your video. This will get you fast page 1 rankings. I can tell you that from my last 10 years of experience. I've been using this strategy and it has worked well every time I've used it. Okay, so I wish you all the luck, and I want to hear your success stories.